Hey y'all, it's been a really long time since I recorded a video, but my Sony camera has been just not for me. It's not working. I've been having issues with it, so I decided to record on my iPhone. I did join the iPhone game. It's been a long time since I recorded a video, so please, please, please be patient with me, you guys. But so far, the quality of my iPhone is really good. I'm really pleased with it. It's been a very long time since I've done a video because since you guys seen me last year, I have new furniture. This is a new living room set, as well as I have a new dining room set. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this video. All right, so here we have one of my new toys for my home. It is gardening season, and I will show you guys my garden in a different video, but today I have been trying to get some of the herbs that I have dehydrated, and today I dehydrated some basil. And so you can see the basil here, it is turning dark. Some of these you can already see where they have probably dehydrated, but these are still really have that pretty green pretty green color. It's not dark enough, so I know it's not ready. And then here in the the dining room, you will see where I have some of the other stuff that I have already dehydrated. So this is some thyme. These are the thyme on the stems that I need to get off. But I do have some basil here. I have some thyme, spearmint, oregano. This is parsley that I took out of the dehydrator this morning, and I went on ahead and used my muddle to chop it up a little bit. And then we have some rosemary. I'm down to the last little bit of rosemary I had from last year. So, and then this is oregano from my oregano plant. And my oregano does not take long. I thought it'd take about 2 weeks. It's still not where I want it to be. So once my once my basil is done, I will put this oregano in there so that it can get that full dried out texture that I'm looking for, so I can get that crunch. Hey y'all, so you all know that I have a dog, and a lot of times when you have a dog, you can sweep, you can vacuum, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting up the hair. So what I have started incorporating is I will dry Swiffer my floor to make sure I get up as much hair as possible before I mop. So I've already swept. I will be vacuuming my carpet, and then I am going behind all of that with this dry Swiffer, and then I will mop. I feel like this is the best way for me to be able to make sure my floors are completely clean without running into the situation where you find all this hair all over your mop. Your mop is picking up a lot of hair, so I like to dry Swiffer. And you can see here where you get a lot of dog hair. So that's just my reasoning behind that, and I just wanted to come and tell you guys why you see me sweeping and then dry Swiffering, and then doing a vacuum, running my vacuum cleaner, and then turning around and mopping. I'm not crazy. It's just, to me, that's the best way to actually get your floors truly clean when you have a pet. My friends always say when they come in my house, they don't smell my dog. They don't, you wouldn't know I have a dog until you saw the dog bed, because I just don't play that. I feel like when you come in someone's home, you should never smell their animal. Their animal is a part of their home, and you don't smell me when you come in my house, so you should never smell my dog. And so that's just my thoughts, my 2 cents. This is my home. I can only speak for me. But yeah, so I'm cleaning my front door. I told my husband after cleaning my front door that we needed to get a, what do you call that? We needed to what is that? I can't think of the name of it, you guys. But basically, we pressure wash. We need to pressure wash our front door. So now I'm like, are you gonna buy one, or what are you gonna do? Because we need to get one ASAP. So, anywho, I'll let y'all get back to watching. Hey y'all, so I wanted to let you guys know, first and foremost, before anybody come for me, I did not burn my dog with my mop. He saw the steam, because I'm like, dog, this mop is hot. But what I did was I boiled a little hot water on the stove. I added some Pine Sol, Mr. Clean, and some bleach to the water, and then I put on my mopping shoes, and I'm mopping the floors. But I told him to get up, and I had to yell for him to get up because he just came back from a walk, and my son walked him around the neighborhood twice, so he was exhausted. And because we're trying to get him to lose a little weight, you guys, he is a fat boy. But anywho, so yeah, so you guys can even see the steam on my mop. Let me know if this is okay for your mop water to be this hot. I normally just run the water in my sink until it gets hot, but this is my first time boiling the water on the stove, and using boiling water on my floors. So I'm hoping that this is okay to do. It seems fine. My floors are clean, so I'm happy with the outcome, but I don't know if it's good to have this water this hot on your floors. So let me know. right, y'all. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.